I'm from Brazil. Today is August 10, 2013. I want to record those birds here. The guy in San Francisco, California.
Okay,
They
you ready?
training birds.
Okay, Rudy, let's
Yeah,
go.
the birds is from Araras from Brazil. It's like this is very typical in Brazil. Yeah. Oh, they are on the tree, right?
No,
Where they are?
behind the tree.
Behind the tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
See, they're in the mission. You see?
Where?
They're coming our
Right
way.
there,
See
the
way
two.
up there?
Way over there.
Put it in.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, they fly far away.
How high they're going.
Oh, they're going very high,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Wow, in Brazil, we have a Pantanal there. There's a lot of Araras there too.
Yes. They're not migrating birds, but they do fly well.
Yeah, where, you from here?
Yes. I'm his assistant. I'm Sean's assistant.
Oh, I gotta. Oh, they coming. Very, very, very far fly. This guy here training birds. I'm from Brazil.
Yep.
And today is August 10, 2013, San Francisco, California. He training birds, and the birds is coming back. Look,
Boy, good girl.
they coming.
Rudy,
They coming.
Marcelo.
Boy, você vai apanhar. My dog tried to get the birds, but he just tried to play. Wow, that's nice.
And dogs never get them.
Yeah, I want to send you the recording, man. You say you haven't.
Yes, I have a email. You can send it to me.
Oh, I got it. If you give me your email address, then I can send you. Yeah, that's nice birds.
So I've been working on bonsai last 2 days for 8 hours, trying to make
Yeah.
extra money.